Good day, everyone. I am Renz Louis Omar from BS1 11P. Today I am going to perform the nursing interview and general survey. Afternoon, ma'am. Have a seat and feel comfortable. Before anything else, I'd like to introduce myself first. I am Renz Louis Omar, your student nurse from Zaba Doctors College for today. And you are?
I'm Micaela Torres.
How would you like me to call you po?
Micaela.
So, before proceeding, I need to verify your personal information first. What is your name
Micaela Torres.
and your age?
21.
Are you single?
Yes.
Address?
Puan, Lacan, Davao City.
Okay. Before going further, I would like to let you know, in order for me to help you today, I need to ask you some questions, particularly your health and background, some of your personal circumstances. Would that be alright with you?
Yes.
And your answer would be documented so that we will be able to formulate the best care. And let me just ask you if you have any preferred languages while I'm asking you.
English or Tagalog?
Do you have any questions so far?
None so far.
Okay. Now, mag-start na po tayo, ma'am. So what you been here at the hospital?
I'm experiencing dry cough.
Okay, so how long na po ito nangyari?
Mga 7 days.
Can you describe your cough phlegm, please?
No phlegm po.
So, scale 1 to 10. How about your cough rate?
6.
Have you had any symptoms beside this?
Yes po, itchy, sore throat.
Okay. Mag-isip ka ng ginhawa, ma'am.
Hindi po.
Cough and sore throat get worse in any particular time.
Yes, and it's very disturbing pag mag-sleep na po.
Can you describe your phlegm?
It is yellow and a bit sticky.
Scale 1 to 7. How about your cough?
6.
How about any pain while coughing? Do you have any feel anything?
Yes, there is tightness while I'm coughing.
Where does this tightness you feel more?
Somewhere in my chest.
Can you pinpoint your chest for me?
Between my chest.
Wala po ba ibang location?
Wala.
So, scale 1 to 10. How about your pain you feel?
6.
To elevate pain, have you take any med for your cough or your sore throat?
Lagundi tablet po, 600 milligrams and 3 times a day.
How many days you've been taking this?
For 3 days.
Now, have you admitted before because of your health problem?
Yes po, because of dengue.
How long you been staying in hospital?
7 days.
And any maintenance at all?
No.
Alright. About allergies, food, pets, or anything?
Wala po may allergy.
No. How about drug allergies?
Wala din.
Now let's proceed to your family history. I ask you a question about your family health background. Okay?
Okay.
May I know if your first degree relatives like your dad, mom, siblings who had jaundice condition,
Wala po. Wala.
asthma, anemia, diabetes, heart disease?
Wala din.
Aside from mention, is there any other disease that affected your family?
Wala.
Your diet, what kind you particularly take in?
Fish, vegetables, and fruits.
How about your exercise? Is it daily, weekly, or monthly?
Since it's so busy, wala naman time for exercise.
Okay. Will highly recommended you to exercise to improve your ability every day. Anyway, that's all data I needed. Now I need to sum up everything up. If there are any false information, just tell me. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.